How's it going? Welcome back to another video. So, a little bit later on tonight, we're getting the boys around. Get rid of these. We're getting the boys around. We're going to have a bit of a Christmas party. We've got everything set up outside. I think Lockie's at home, just getting drunk. He's getting ready for it. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. We've got a little bit to go on the cruiser. The diff center's still down at the shop. And over the next couple of days we should be getting those centers back. They've got all the parts there, so it's not long now. I just got to put it back together and we're good to go. And yeah, other than that, we've been working on getting some stuff for the shop, stubby coolers and all sorts of that good shit. We're getting more shirts done up. We've got this one at the moment. This is my favourite one, but this is an old design, sorry. We've got some newer ones there coming out, even better. Alright, so the next video that's going to come out after this is probably the year review. I'm going to go through all the best parts of this year. Like, he's been cooking some real shit food over the last year or so on the episodes of Not Stop. So hopefully he'll improve on drinking more alcohol and fucking up all the food he tries to cook. So Lockie's going to be over very soon. Junior's coming over. We've got the Sheilas coming over. We're going to have a bit of a barbecue, have a good feed, and yeah, see what happens.
Of what? Boy, Dick. Of what? What is it? Alright guys, we haven't done a couple of videos for a while, so we're doing a Not Stop Christmas party. We've got all the girls here, the boys here, having a bit of a cruise at Wade's place. So what do we have to do? Cooking with Lockie. Wade's got an assortment of meats, and yes, I have had a couple already, and always got trusty. So what are we going to stick on? Fucking some schmegma shit. So we've got the lamb chops going on there. Fucking they've been seared away for a bit. Fucking Wade's gone and got some marinated steaks and a new barbecue plate, so we don't have to clean the old one. We're going to smack all this shit on there, as we always do. And we've even got, what is it guys? I don't even have to say it. Don't even have to say it. Regular full trade, I'm going to say it. So we're going to smack all this shit on there, you know, for a good hour. Always a good hour, remember guys? Jesus fuck, they get bigger the more you touch them. Hey, not doing anything. Alright, so we'll smack all that shit on it. Ow. Ow. We're going to close the lid up and we'll come back to you in shortly. Oh, sorry. I started cooking again, but I forgot to tell the cameraman. There's fucking the modified weirdo.
Get the fuck out of yourself.
You will see some new shit in 2019, guys. We've got. Okay, guys. Because that's the way the world's going. So we're going to be fucking full on in 2019. We've had some issues with Wade's truck and so same with Genius truck. You know, Toyotas. Shit happens. No, I'm still going strong. So we're smacking the rest of that schmegma on there. Look at our fingers. And loving life.
I think that I'm going to.
As always, it's been a good hour. So, we got this schmegma shit on here. We'll see how it goes. As always, Lockie's had a couple of cans before he starts cooking. We're gonna give it, I was gonna say flip it over again, but they look good. We'll get this shit off. What do you reckon? That's some gravy juices there. Get it off. I thought someone was standing behind me, some shadow. So we're gonna get this off, smack some sangers on there and some fucking hamburgers. And we're gonna have a fat time eating all this juicy schmegma. Sorry, Panya. Panya's Wade's girlfriend. He's so gonna edit all this shit out, I know he will. Because that's what Wade does, he edits all the cool shit out. But before we fucking cook them, I'm gonna have to get all this fucking schmegma shit off here. And yeah, as you noticed, you might not have noticed, we got a new plate. So we can cook our breakfast for a change instead of the, you know, regular foil trays. So I'm gonna give this a crack at cleaning it, because if we just scrape it on the flame shit, it just goes nowhere. Well, I don't know about this. Where the fuck am I meant to put it? Oh no, it's got a hole in the corner. Where does that go? Oh, it's got a fat tray underneath. We easy cook in the fucking camp oven, you know how I do. Lasagna. Apparently, when we go out next time, right, I've been told we're going to cook shepherd's pie. The first episode of season 2. When I learn how to speak fucking English. We're going to cook shepherd's pie for you guys, so look out for that one. And I've been told, you know, it's always more fun when Lockie's had a couple. So we'll give that a crack. Apparently we've got some new fucking... I can't probably say it because we'll get fucking censored. We've got some new spatula. Where the fuck this come from? Oh Jesus, it's sharp. Get that stuff off. Oh, I don't know. It's fucking taking off the barbecue plate with it. We don't usually clean shit, we just buy new stuff, so it's already clean. I'm sure you guys would love just watching this, you know, me just... one stroke. 2 strokes. And a swell. Fuck you. So we'll give that a bit of a clean. We'll have the barbecue plates fucking... We got girls here. You know what girls do? Make things so much better.
How's it going, guys? Lockie's just cooked up something over here. I don't know what he's doing, but
The big sausage!
that's the weirdest thing I've ever seen, mate.
Yeah, I've not looked in the mirror lately then, have you? So we'll get the big sausage off, guys. We're about to have a fat time. We've already had a couple of drinks. We're here at the fucking Nutstock house. Wade's house. Because that's where the trip is broken down all the time.
No,
so that's
no,
where we gotta
no,
come to.
no.
Yeah.
Hey, what he won't tell you is the Navara's been through a motor already.
Once. It runs at the moment, right? So
Sort of.
it's good, it's good. And it's got better diffs than this guy. So we're about to fucking do our Nutstock Christmas party, guys. We're gonna bring some cool shit here in 2019. Fucking Wade's gonna have some proper gearing for his trooping.
Yeah, so we'll have plenty of gearing to get up all those hills and shit that
Yeah.
Lockie can't.
We're gonna have June in his rig, Goldie, you know, he's our cameraman. We might get someone else on the camera, maybe one of these hot Sheilas or that ugly bastard over there, we'll see. You know, Rooster that's been in the whole season, never once. That's Rooster over there, guys. Dick. So, we're gonna have a fat time tonight, and we'll see you guys in 2019 with some fresh new cool shit from WA.
Sounds good.
Alright, catch you later, guys.
Alright, so Lockie's here, I don't know what he's doing. He's got the longest sausage, which is seen on a barbecue before.
Oh, I do have a long sausage. You said it, mate. Oh.
And for some reason, he's attempting to put it into 3 pieces of bread.
Fuck off
As you can see here.
They didn't fucking do the twisty knot properly, so I had a big one. Stick some schmegma on there. Look at that drizzle. Fucking Salt Bay would be jealous.
Now, how do you plan on folding all 3 loaves of bread at the same time to eat this sausage?
Oh, I'm gonna get rid of the cutlery, it's making it difficult.
Yeah, Lockie, do you want a hand?
Oh. Cut.
Right, so Lockie's just gone home, that's good. You know, he's been a bit queer. Anyway. So, yeah, next video is probably year in review, and then we're going to get out as soon as the diff centers arrive to do some full driving, you know. Get out as usual. We're going to head out to Lake Douglas. We've got a track that heads out in the bush somewhere. And if you like this video, make sure you go down over here and just smash the fuck out of that like button. And if you want to subscribe, it's the one that says subscribe. And, you know, I changed my shirt.
The phantoms of hell